Here's how to move archived emails back to your inbox in Gmail. I'm on the desktop Gmail site. If you don't see all mail in the left sidebar, click More at the bottom to expand the hidden labels. When you click More, the list expands and all mail appears right above Spam. There's no folder called Archive in Gmail, which trips a lot of people up. Archive mail just lives in all mail without an inbox label. Click All Mail to open it. The screen changes to a much longer list because this view includes your inbox, your sent mail, and everything you archived. Any message that isn't in trash or spam shows up here. That's why the inbox label matters more than the message itself. A message can carry 5 other labels and still be archived. The only thing that makes it appear in your inbox is that one inbox label. That's why I always start in all mail instead of hunting through the inbox. Now click the search bar at the top. Type in :archive with no space after the colon, then press enter. The search bar shows the exact operator you typed, so you can check the spelling before the results load. Gmail reads that as a search operator and returns only messages that have been archived. If you put a space in there by mistake, it becomes a normal text search and you'll get a mess of unrelated messages. Gmail is strict about operator spacing. That's the #1 mistake I see at this step. If you have a lot of archived mail, don't scroll through it. Click back inside the search bar, keep the :archive part, and type from :Sarah. That filters the archive list down to one sender, and it's the fastest way to find one specific conversation. I'm using Sarah here because I know that's the thread I archived last week. If you get no results for a sender, try their full email address instead of just the first name. Look at the results. Each row shows the sender, the subject, and a small set of labels. Archived messages don't have the inbox label next to the subject line. That missing label is the easiest visual cue that a message is archived. If you see a row with no inbox label but a label like updates or promotions, it's still archived. Hover over the message you want back, and a checkbox appears on the left side. Click that checkbox to select the whole conversation. The blank square turns into a tick, and the toolbar above the list changes right away, because Gmail now knows you're about to act on that specific email. In that toolbar, click Move to Inbox. This is the button I use for a single restore. It takes the message out of archive and puts the inbox label back on it. You'll see a small black toast slide up at the bottom left that says Conversation Moved to Inbox. The message also drops out of the archive search result because it no longer matches the operator. That toast disappears after a few seconds, but it's your confirmation the label landed. Now click Inbox in the left sidebar to prove the move worked. The message is sitting at the top of your inbox, and the inbox label is visible next to the sender and subject. That label is what keeps it out of all mail only. There are 3 more things worth knowing. If you have a whole batch to restore, click All Mail again and run the same :archive search. Tick every message you want back, then click Move to Inbox once. Gmail labels each one at the same time, so you don't have to click through each one. If you accidentally move the wrong message back, select it in the inbox and click Archive in the toolbar. That strips the inbox label and puts it right back in all mail, which is exactly where it was before. And if you've been losing messages when you reply, the Send and Archive setting is usually the culprit. Click the gear icon, choose See All Settings, and under General find Send and Archive. Turn it off to remove the Send and Archive button from the reply toolbar so you don't archive by accident. If this got your inbox sorted, give it a like, subscribe for more Gmail walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.